दिन ब दिन विधायक प्रताप सरनाईक की मुश्किलें और बढ़ती जा रही हैं। किसी दिन खबर आती है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट से उन्हें राहत मिली, तो किसी दिन यह खबर आती है कि ईडी से फिर से मुश्किलें बढ़ी। अभी जो ताज़ा खबर आई है वह CNN न्यूज़ 18 के हवाले से सरनाईक के बारे में आई है। आइए जानते हैं क्या है यह CNN न्यूज़ 18 की रिपोर्ट।
Big news coming in now. We are learning that there is more trouble for Pratap Sarnaik now because the ED has found a credit card in the name of a Pakistani national from the premises of Pratap Sarnaik. The credit card has the address of Pratap Sarnaik. The ED has now asked for the credit card statement from Sarnaik and also written to the bank seeking details. Ashish Maharishi is joining us with more details on this bit of news coming in. Ashish, how is Pratap Sarnaik expected to provide the statement considering that this credit card is in the name of some other person, and who is this person who we are talking about over here whose name is on that credit card?
Well, the credit card is basically owned by an individual called Cynthia Dadras. She is wife of an individual named Farhad Dadras. They are both Pakistani nationals. Interestingly, the credit card has the address of Pratap Sarnaik in Mumbai. But what is more interesting is that this is a foreign asset. This credit card is not of an Indian bank. It is basically, the credit card is issued by a bank based out of California, and it is named Fairmont Bank. Now, it will be very interesting to see what the transactions have been, why the credit card has been issued in the name of a Pakistani national named Cynthia Dadras, and why this credit card was being used by the Sarnaiks, and their family members. That is what we are learning. So here, the questioning is happening. We already know he's been questioned and he has been again summoned for Monday. So he has to appear before Enforcement Directorate. But these are interesting facts that are coming out after the raids that were conducted. We already know the managing director of Tops Group has been arrested in the matter. We already know that there is an investigation which is related to a security contract given to Tops Group from MMRDA. And this, ultimately, what we are learning from our sources is that there was kickback being given to Pratap Sarnaik in the form of cash of around 6 lakh rupees a month, and around 7 crore rupees of money that has landed into his hands. So all this is being investigated, but this is a very interesting fact that has already come out now, is about a credit card being issued by Fairmont Bank based out of California, and the credit card is in the name of a Pakistani national named Cynthia Dadras. It will be very interesting to see what explanation does Pratap Sarnaik gives before enforcement.
And as far as the ED is concerned, Ashish, they've already contacted this bank in California?
Well, they have written to Fairmont Bank. They want the statement. Since they believe that, the credit card was being used, it might be a Benami asset in the name of Cynthia and ultimately being used by, Pratap Sarnaik and his family members. There is a chance. So that is why, they're trying to find out who the real owners of money is, why this credit card was issued in the name of a Pakistani national with the address of Mumbai. That all is being investigated, but as of now, he's being questioned on this issue, and let's see what explanation he has to give.
Absolutely, and remember, Pratap Sarnaik has been summoned several times by the Enforcement Directorate, and he has been alleging as to why he's been called so many times. What is the case that is being made out against him? There's more trouble now for Pratap Sarnaik after the recovery of that credit card. Ashish,
CNN न्यूज़ 18 के अनुसार पाकिस्तानी मूल के फरहद गजराज की बीवी सिंथिया गजराज के नाम पर एक कैलिफोर्निया बैंक का क्रेडिट कार्ड मिला है, जिस पर एड्रेस सरनाईक का है।